hope you're fine. I miss you so much. Today we are going to work on something very fun. We're going to make baking soda painting and we're going to make our work of art Fizzy. Okay, you will see. Follow me. Okay, so here are the materials that we will be using. We're going to be using baking soda, okay? You're going to be using vinegar, yes? You're going to be using water. I put it in here. You can put it in a bottle too. You're going to be using food colorant, okay? Any type of food colorant you have. I have this type, okay? But you can use any type that you have at home. You're going to be using 3 cups, okay? They doesn't have to be glassy. They can be of plastic. 3, 1, 2, and 3, okay? And you're going to be using a spray bottle, empty spray bottle. If you have, this is a bottle which you see, it's a spray. It has to be empty, okay? If you don't have this type of bottle, don't worry. We can use always a pipette or something like that. We're going to be using a paintbrush, okay? I have here a napkin and also a white sheet of paper, okay? Okay, now the first thing that I will teach you how to do is how to make baking soda paint. This is what we're going to do. We're going to pour a little bit of water like this, okay, on our 3 cups like this. 2 and 3. Make sure they are almost the same amount of water. Okay, now we are going to put colorant. You ready? I'm gonna make a yellow one, a blue one, and maybe some green. Okay, so now we're going to put 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops. And we mix it. Here we have our yellow. Now blue. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 3 is enough. Let's see, because it's darker. Yes, 3. 3 for blue. Here we have our blue. And last one, green. Let's see if we have with. Sorry, I just realized my green is over. But remember, I teach you how to make green. How can we make green? We're going to mix blue and yellow, and this is going to give us green. Okay, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 of yellow and just 1 drop of blue, sorry, blue. Let's see if it works. Yay, we have our green, very good. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is pour baking soda into our 3 bottles. Okay, now I have here my 3 colors: green, blue, and yellow. Make sure your cups aren't too full, okay? Make sure they have just little amount of colorant. Now we're going to pour our baking soda. Are you ready? Okay. Continue pouring baking soda until it's not that liquid, okay? A little bit more, and a little bit more. We mix again. I think that's enough. Okay, great. Now we have 3 colors of baking soda painting. Now let's start. Very good. Now we're going to start our work of art. We are going to use our white sheet of paper, okay? And we're going to try and paint a picture here with our baking soda painting. Remember, if your painting is too liquid, you just have to pour more baking soda. Okay, so now I'm gonna try make the sun. Very good. Now I'm gonna make something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? You can paint anything you want. Very good. Now I'm going to clean my paintbrush, my napkin, and I'm going to take another color. I'm going to take green, and I'm going to put some grass in here. If you think it needs more green, just put more colorant, okay? Some green. Very good. Now clean again your paintbrush. I'm gonna put a sky in here. Remember, you can paint anything that you have in your imagination. And I am going to paint the sky. Remember, you can use more colorant. Okay. Now that you have finished your landscape or that you have painted something, we're going to let it dry, okay? Until it's completely dry so that it won't break, okay? So leave it aside. And we're going to do the next step. Okay, the next step, you're going to use your spray bottle. Remember, if you don't have spray bottle, you can use pipettes. And now, I'm going to pour, it's empty, okay? And I'm going to pour inside some vinegar, okay? Let's see. Just a little bit, it doesn't have to be a lot. Okay, maybe that's enough. And now this is what we're going to do. You have to make sure your artwork is completely dry. If it's still wet, please wait a little bit more. Okay, very good. Now, we finished. This is dry. We're going to use our vinegar. Remember, you can use pipettes or little drops if you don't have spray. We are going to make some magic. Are you ready? I'm going to pour and spray on our piece of art, and you will see the paper and the picture that you painted. The picture will start to bubble and fizz, okay? Okay, let's see how our painting starts bubbling. You see? So we finished. I hope that you really enjoyed this activity. I hope that you had a lot of fun, and I hope to see all your artworks in the platform. Okay, don't forget to upload the pictures so I can grade them and I can see your lovely works. Okay, see you next video. Don't forget, I love you very, very, very much. Bye bye.